Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2018. And today's new restaurant is a place called Muddy Waters. It's a little, I don't know, kind of a, I guess, chic little fancy restaurant downtown Orlando. They're on Church Street over by the Abbey, and just kind of chilling out of there. Really, we just looking for some place close to Abbey on our way down to the comedy show, and we didn't know where we were gonna eat. We wanted to eat at the little sushi place, and didn't really have any luck pulling their website up to see their pricing and whatnot. We stopped at another place, and the pricing seemed a little high, but it was also nothing Karen liked the look of. They had a menu out front and just didn't get a real good feeling for it. So we ended up across the street at a little place called Muddy Water. And we sat out in the patio, beautiful weather, there's a corporate 5K going on, so we had some entertainment a block down the road from us. You could see them running by and stuff. The road was closed out. Was a great little thing. We actually had the Muddy Water signature burger. We told them we were going to split it. The waitress was super friendly. We already knew what we wanted, so when she basically came to drop off the menus and stuff, we're like, oh, we're good. We can order like right now. Like, we were kind of in a little bit of a hurry because the corporate 5K, find a parking spot and all that good stuff. We had a little trouble. And the normal parking is $5 down there in like a grass parking lot that's just like a unbuilt on building spot, and it went to $15 today because of the race. And I was like, I'm gonna find me a parking spot somewhere else. So end up finding that, which in the long run saved me $5, which worked out well. So, but the lady brought back out the burger already cut in half, which was awesome. We got a little extra fries that way in the basket. Not a lot extra. Sometimes you'll get 2 full portions of fries. This wasn't it, but it was definitely a little bit extra. I think the fries were delicious. They were seasoned very well. Karen thought they might have been a little bit over seasoned. I think they were amazing. They're real thin, crispy fries with lots of good seasoning on them. The burger itself was delicious. Had a caramelized onion. It had a like a bourbon sauce on it that was a little bit too much sauce because unfortunately, even by the time it got to us and they brought it right out, it was still hot and fresh. The sauce had ran down the whole bottom of the bun, and it was like just wet. It was kind of on that bad side. Flavor was delicious. I would prefer less sauce, so on the caramelized onions and the barbecue sauce they put on it, I didn't want my bun to be like literally unable to be picked up. It was not the greatest there. So that's the only complaint. The flavors were great. It was cooked phenomenally to medium. Temperature was great on the burger. Just everything was good. Service was great. She was really cool. She brought the burger to me. Saying else, I said I could use a check, meaning the fact I'm not in a big hurry. You know, I'm not in a delay. I don't want to sit here forever. So go ahead and move that along. She got the check. It was great. Went and paid her right there at the table, and she got to keep the change. Worked out wonderfully. So we were in and out of there super fast and made it to this show with plenty of time to spare. Absolutely amazing service. Very happy with it. Like I said, the food was delicious. I think if we order that burger again there, I would ask for light sauce or even the sauce on the side so you can just kind of dip it maybe if you wanted to. Put as much you want as you want, because again, when you pick up your burger, your bun on the bottom should never be soggy. It was a little bit bad there. So aside from that though, super happy. Great little place. So a place called Muddy Waters. So anyway, that's all I got for now. I will talk to you guys soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. And remember, get out there and try yourself new restaurants. You never know what kind of great little gem you will find. So take care.